Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set a Ford Transit timing chain. First, gather all necessary tools, especially a specific timing chain locking kit for your engine. It's crucial to ensure the engine is at top dead center before you start. Remember to disconnect the battery and drain the engine oil as initial safety and preparation steps. Next, we'll focus on removing the old timing chain. Begin by carefully taking off the valve cover and the crankshaft pulley. Then, locate and loosen the timing chain tensioner before completely removing it. Once the tensioner is out, you can detach the old timing chain along with its guides from the engine block. Now, let's install the new timing chain. Carefully align the new chain with the specific timing marks on both the crankshaft and camshaft sprockets. After the chain is in place, install the new guides and then the timing chain tensioner. Double-check that all timing marks are perfectly aligned to ensure correct engine operation. For the final steps, it's vital to double-check everything. Ensure all bolts are torqued precisely to the manufacturer's specifications. Manually rotate the engine 2 full revolutions to confirm the timing remains correct. Finally, refill the engine oil and coolant, then start the engine to test its performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.